feeling myself. I'm 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 feeling myself. Hello, and welcome to today's episode of Cook Better, Live Better. And as you know on our channel, we always have that question of what's for dinner. And if that question has left you feeling like this, then today's video is for you. Today's recipe is a delicious homemade chili made in the Instant Pot that cuts your cooking time down significantly. Our chili will literally be ready in about 15 minutes. All you gotta do is quickly brown up the ground turkey. That takes about 4 minutes in the pressure cooker. Dump all of your ingredients in and then close the lid. When you hear that beep, dinner is served. So if that type of recipe interests you, just keep on watching. All right, so as we get ready to jump into today's recipe, I just want to remind everybody that if you're enjoying this content and you find it helpful, definitely hit that subscribe button. I have lots of content planned and you wouldn't want to miss any of it. So let's hop into the recipe now. Hi everyone, so introducing our pressure cooker. And the ingredients we're going to use for today's chili is ground turkey, dark red kidney beans, chili spices and seasoning, and chopped onions, of course. So now I'm going to turn on the pressure cooker. I am turning on the sear brown feature, and this will allow me to cook up the ground turkey right in the pot. I love this feature, and it browns the ground turkey so much faster than on the stove. It literally takes about 4 minutes, and the ground turkey or whatever ground meat you use in your chili will be ready to go. All right, so now that we got our ground turkey all ground up, now I'm adding in all of my chili seasonings. And these consist of chili seasoning, some garlic powder, and some chopped onions. So I'm going to mix all of those around in the pan. Now I'm adding in the dark red kidney beans and my tomato sauce mixture. I will mix this all around right in the pot. And again, using ground turkey, it's no need to drain your pan. Now I'm going to set the pressure cooker on the setting to cook the chili. Now that I've put that setting on, I'm throwing on the lid, and this chili will be ready
11 minutes later.
So, dinner is ready. This chili is so good. Thanks for watching. Bye.